Can you please tell us about you and Lafik?
So my name is John Paul Hoya. You can call me Jepa. So in the industry, I am known as Jepa. So I've been in the industry for the iGaming industry for 20 years, or yeah, 22 years. So as for Lafik, Lafik is an SMS OTP voice service provider. So we help all the iGaming companies retain their customers, do their marketing, do their security checks for OTP. So that's what Lafik is doing. So whatever SMS or voice requirements or needs you have, we can offer it to you guys.
From your experience, what makes SMS still such a powerful tool for players' engagement and retention today?
This can be answered of what I posted a while ago because in iGaming, you have to make sure that your customers know about what you offer. So it's important to let them know. That's why I'm always telling all the operators, you should make sure that you let your customers know about what you have. If you have a new game, tell them that I have a new game which is Scatter or maybe from Geely or from Rebel Live. Also, if you have a new promotion, you should tell them through SMS. If you have a new or a new gimmick in your website, then you can also tell them through SMS or through voice. So the importance of SMS is just to make sure that you retain the customers, you make them informed, you make them feel that they are always being taken care of. So as long as they are involved in everything or being informed about everything about your website, they will feel welcome or part of your business. So they will always play in your business or in your website.
That's true. Trust comes first. And actually, medyo curious din ako. I'm curious about how do you deal with challenges like delivery rates, filtering, or reaching the players since I'm not really I don't know how SMS works, but if you can give us
For
insight.
delivery rates naman, we can assure that we can give you a 90% to 95% because there are numbers that are blacklisted talaga eh. So those are numbers or account numbers of customers who really are complaining about SMS being sent to them. So from those things, we also have some routes kasi. Those routes help us send it to everyone or to make sure that it's not being blocked. And also we guide our operators, we guide our clients on how to send messages because when you are sending SMS, there are still words that are not allowed to be sent. For example, gambling or ano. So we should make sure that we are following the rules. So kasi as for regulations, for example, we need also to regulate the messages that we send to the customers. Hindi yung puro scam, di ba? Or so we should make sure that we are just sending the right information to the customers. For example, some of the errors that I saw in the operators that we have is they're sending messages to PH, so their dashboard is only able to send to PH customers, but they put in numbers from other countries. So if they put in other countries there, their dashboard is not allowed to send messages to it. But we can also send it to internationally, but you have to talk to us first so that we can parang open those channels for you. Just have to inform us. So kasi different rates yun eh. So different countries, different rates.
Ahead, where do you see SMS fitting into bigger picture of iGaming and marketing, especially with new channels and tech coming?
Sa SMS naman is it's all about retention talaga of the customers eh. So the future of SMS is taking care of your customers because this is a channel wherein you will be able to inform them about everything eh. Inform them of about what's new, what's to expect in your website, and if there would be any news that you want to tell them, SMS can help you with it. Because SMS is a very convenient tool for everyone eh. It's if you have SMS, you don't have to connect online, you don't have to connect to anything. You just have to check your phone and then you have that SMS. So you are fully informed when you have SMS. And SMS has been a part of our life na eh. So, not everyone naman is when you're walking, you're doing Facebook, 'di ba? But everyone, when someone texts you, you will check it talaga. Not like sa
Mm,
Facebook, minsan makikita mo may notification, hindi mo check 'yun. Pero
mm,
SMS, talagang important to the people 'yun or to anyone 'yun, eh. You
mm,
have to check it to see who texted you, what is the information, gano'n. So, it
mhm,
will help your marketing for your website. Kasi yun nga, if you have for Geely, for example, or for a game provider na they have a new jackpot, you can also tell them through
mhm,
SMS. We are just sending it to those people na alam natin nag-register doon sa website nyo. So if they
mhm,
see it na me, for example, I'm really a fan of this website. If I see some message na galing din sa kanila, I know it's a promotion for them. I know it's
mhm,
some reminder from them. So I'm
mhm,
excited to check it pa nga. Uy, merong pakwela si ano ngayon, si for example,
mhm,
jepaplay.com, may pakwela ngayon. So let's check it
mhm,
out. So again, yung tagline ko kanina doon sa post ko is you have to let them know, to let that partner know. So para alam niyang what is in what do you offer them, ganun ganun, 'di ba? So,
mhm,
yun.
tama. Tsaka maganda din kasi talagang actually sa conversation natin now, the
Mm.
conversation looks like Laafit is taking care of partners. Number one.
Yes, of course. Yeah. Operators, we were able to have them have an ROI of 383%. So just by sending those customers, for example, you playing, you just deposited 50, and then when we send you some messages about promotion or something, they come back to your website and then they deposit more. For now in the Philippines, we are having two representatives na for the PH. So someone who can speak our own language, the Tagalog, the Filipino language. So no more barriers kasi dati Lafik is being having BDMs that are Chinese tapos gano'n. So
Mhm,
uh, just to make sure na the message is being sent properly, yun nga.
mhm,
They took Filipino representatives like me and I do have Echo now here and we are planning to expand pa. So yun nga, nakita nyo, we are really into doing or making sure the message is being sent properly. So that's
mhm,
why
mhm.
even
Perfect.
getting a homegrown Filipino to lead their business here in the Philippines, ginawa nila so that the message will be understood properly. Actually, kung gusto nila akong mag-visit, I will visit their offices. I'm very
Mhm,
welcome to visiting their offices. If they are from Cebu, I can go to Cebu or whenever or wherever they want. Just tell me kung for a schedule and also we can do parang ganito, virtual meeting muna tayo to check on their
mhm,
business kasi we aim also to help the operators eh. Hindi lang naman namin gustong mag-profit in this company. So we would like to take care of our clients. So if we see that you're a startup and then we will check how we can help you. Sometimes nga ang ginagawa ko pa since we have a group chat or a support group for our services, I sometimes tell them how to do marketing, how to do segmentation. Kasi
mhm,
as I have said nga, I've been to iGaming industry for 22 years now. So if
mhm,
there are marketing tips, I can also do marketing tips. Sometimes pati operations nila tinutulungan ko na sila eh. So it's part
mhm.
of the culture that we are trying to implement here in LAFIC na once you get our services, we help you with everything about iGaming with a lot of colleagues like you. So I know you guys still have some questions about iGaming, some help about iGaming, some guidance about iGaming. And I'm happy to share my experiences with it or yung mga natutunan ko dati. So kasi once I have a lot of people being educated with the iGaming industry, then it will be more easier for us to do those or the business. And also, yung regulation, mas maintindihan mo eh, bakit kailangan ng regulation. So, those na hate din yung gaming, malalaman nila na, we can do it pala. We can do it pala with the proper regulation and with the proper education, yun nga. If everyone is educated about the business in the industry, everything will be easier.
As my very first mentor sa iGaming, ang
Yun
nagpamulat sa akin.
kaso nga lang, malis agad ako dun eh.
Like yung pag-i-introduce mo sa akin minsan kung nasa event tayo,
Hmm.
ano talaga siya, nakakatulong siya sa akin like yung mga nag-e-expand yung mga connections ko.